but it's because I was not well. I had a sore throat and I couldn't speak at all, so I just couldn't film and I couldn't post or edit a single video. So I'm just sorry for that, but never mind, I have brought a really good video for you guys. So there was a hot pink sale on Nykaa, so I bought so many stuff. I'm so sorry for my voice, I know it sounds very bad, but please just excuse that. But I really wanted to film it for you guys, so I've bought so many stuff. It literally costed like around rupees 7,000, so it's a lot. But yeah, I just wanted to do a haul for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. I've not bought makeup as such, but I've bought two nail paints. Both of them are from Nykaa. One is the Nykaa Enamel, the normal collection, and the other one is Nykaa Matte Nail Lacquer. These are the two nail paints that I've bought. I really like both of the color. I'm wearing this matte one right now. Some of them have chipped off, but yeah, this is the color, and yeah, I really like this color. It's so nice. This shade is 116 Chia Pudding, and this one is Espresso Shot 169. I really like both of their colors. They're really long lasting, and also it is like really good formula, and I really like them. I have a lot of Nykaa nail enamel, but I have never tried this matte one, but I genuinely like it more than this one, to be very honest. So I want to try out more shades from this range. So yeah, you guys can also try it out. It's really nice, and it also is like budget friendly. So yeah, nail paint खरीदा है तो nail remover भी चाहिए होगा. So I bought this one. This is from Color Bar. I have bought the acetone free nail enamel remover. This one was at sale, obviously everything was at a huge sale, so I've got so many stuff because of that. So this is the nail remover. I hope you guys can see. It's really nice. It's acetone free, so it's very good for the nails. I really like it. I had this bottle previously also, but I finished that, so I bought another one in this sale. So I just got like 20% off, I guess so. So yeah, this was the second thing. I also restocked a few things. So these also, I featured them so many times on my channel. So this is the scrub from Biotique, which I really like. So I was about to finish the last one, so I got two of these because they were at sale, and I just got a huge discount on them. So I got two of them just to stock them up. And yeah, this is like my holy grail scrub. And yeah, I also have like done a small kind of review in my last video, so you guys can check that out and you can understand why I really like this scrub. It's such a great scrub. Actually, it removes tan. So yeah, this was the next thing. I bought another scrub. Actually, this was recommended by my friend, but this one has a great texture. I really like it. It actually smells like chocolate. It's from Everyuth, and I really like it. Like the moment I apply it on my face, it feels so nice. It has really minute particles. It's actually better than the Biotique one. I really like it. It's for 115 rupees for 50 gram, and it's very nice. There was no sale on this one, but I bought it because I really wanted to try it. It's so nice, it's so gentle, and this one is very good for oily and combination skin. It removes all the blackheads. I actually had like a few blackheads. It actually removed them. I could see the difference in like 2 to 3 times I used it, and I really like it. It actually got delivered to me the second day after I ordered it. I got it on 26th as far as I remember, or 25th. So yeah, this was a really nice thing. I really like this scrub. So yeah, you guys can also try it. The next thing is actually a serum from L'Oreal Paris. It's the Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. It's actually a great serum. I have never tried this before. I really like it. It's so nice on the hair. It really doesn't make your hair greasy or oily. It just gets absorbed onto your hair so nicely. I really like this one. I have used it twice by far, and I really like both of the times. If you want like a very good review, it will obviously take some time for me to just try it out and understand how it works. But for now, the impression it gave me on the first and second try, it was really good. It was not at all sticky, so yeah, that was like a plus point of this product. And another thing which is very nice, it is very good for unmanageable and damaged hair. I have frizzy hair, so it really did work for me. So yeah, if you have frizzy hair, just go and try it out. You can just see the difference in like 1 to 2 use only. तो ये तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. The next thing from hair care again is a conditioner from Wow. It's a red onion black seed oil hair conditioner, and it's of 300 ml, and it costed me rupees 360. I guess the actual price is 450 or something like that. I really like it. I've used this twice only, and I could really see a major difference on my hair, and I can see like my hair has become so soft. Actually, it has onion black seed oil in it, which is very good for all hair types. So this is actually a great thing about this product. And actually, I had heard so many good things about this conditioner, and I really think they all were true. It's so nice, it's so gentle on the hair. It does not damage your hair at all. It's really nice. I really like it. I also got a shampoo free with this. The shampoo that I got free is the apple cider vinegar shampoo. This is the shampoo. Actually, I like it more than this one. I really like it, man. It's so nice. When I applied it, it really lathered on my hair so nicely. I really like it. It also has apple cider vinegar, which is very good for the promotion of hair. So yeah, this was the free product I got with this one. The next product that I got is this one. This is a lip balm from Blue Heaven. Actually, I've heard so many things about this lip balm. I was like, क्या है इसमें मुझे पता नहीं, but it's so nourishing. I really like it. It is so nice actually. I wanted to try this out for a really long time, but I was थोड़ा skeptical कि अच्छा होगा या नहीं, इसलिए मैं नहीं खरीद रही थी. But one day I just gave a poll on Instagram that suggest me some lip balm. So one of my juniors actually told me that you should try it, and I bought it, and I really like it. It's very nourishing on the lips, and also one thing which is very good is that it has flavor. The next thing that I bought is actually this. I already used the Hip Hop blackhead removal nose strip, and I really like it. You guys already know that. But this is actually a forehead, nose and chin strips. So there are 6 strips. So मुझे ये वाले try करने थे. मुझे पता नहीं था ये कैसा होगा. I once tried the chin strips. I really liked it. It was not mind blowing or something like that, but I liked it. Maybe I'll use it the second time and I will see some great results. I don't know, but first time में अच्छा ही था. It was not like bad. It was good, but I couldn't see like a major difference. It was like okay-ish, you can say. But I obviously like the nose one the most. I've used the nose one, and I really like it. It comes in like violet packaging, this kind of packaging, and yeah, this is how the packet looks like. It's really nice. I'll give a better review when I'll try the forehead and the chin strip on my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me there, please do. Then you're gonna get some small reviews which I don't do on my YouTube. So yeah, just go and check my stories. You're gonna get a great review there. So yeah, this was the next thing. The next thing is also a stock up thing. So this is actually not mine. This is my mother's. She bought it. She really likes the Biotique depigmentation and tan removal face pack, which is for all skin types. So yeah, this is a face pack which she really likes. I do like it, but it just takes a long time to show a result, which I really don't like. It's very tedious to wait for so long to just get a good result. So I don't use it much. I use it at times when I feel कि मुझे use कर लेना चाहिए. So yeah, but I don't use it on a daily basis. But it's really good. I would say it's really nice. It actually helps in removal of tan. I have seen differences, but it just takes a long time. That's all I wanted to say. But yeah, but other than that, it's a good product. It works. Actually, it does work, and ये actually बहुत अच्छा है कॉम्बिनेशन एंड नॉर्मल स्किन के लिए आई वुड से। ऑयली स्किन के लिए अच्छा है, बट मुझे एट टाइम्स लगता है कि थोड़ा ये वाले पार्ट को थोड़ा ऑयली बना देता है, तो इसलिए मुझे वो उतना पसंद नहीं है, बट आई डू यूज़ इट एंड आई डू लाइक इट हाउ इट वर्क्स ऑन माई स्किन। सो या, द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज फ्रॉम Requil. So I got this face wash. I actually got this one free with this one. So उधर एक ऑफर चल रहा था कि अगर आप 2 प्रोडक्ट खरीदोगे Requil से, so आपको एक सनस्क्रीन और एक फेस वॉश फ्री मिलेंगे. So this is a 50 ml. So I've used this face wash, the छोटा one, and I really like it, man. It's so nice for removing oil from your skin. It actually controls the production of oil and sebum, which is great. I love it, and I actually like the formula of it. It is like watery, and when you just lather it on your skin, it becomes foamy and it's so nice. बहुत ही mild है, but it genuinely removes oil. Saw it in Nykaa and I was like चलो try कर लेते हैं, but मुझे बहुत पसंद आ गया. मुझे लगता है कि ये तो मैं फिर से खरीदूंगी जब भी ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा. ये बहुत अच्छा है ऑयली स्किन के लिए. Actually it's great for oily skin. So yeah, next product which I got from Requil itself is the Pit Stop Gel. This is the Pit Stop Gel. I have used this previously also for my scars. Actually it removes scars from your face, some old and new ones. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks for curing new scars and 3 to 6 months for curing old scars. So previously also I had used it and it was really nice, but then I just got over with it, so I did not again buy it, but मुझे ये चाहिए था तो मैंने ये सेल पे ही खरीद लिया. And yeah, I really like this product. It does its work very nicely. It actually removes scars. I've seen differences on my skin after using it, so I really like it. And अगर आपके scars हैं तो without any doubt just buy it. I'm telling you, you guys will like it because it genuinely works. And the thing which I got free with this Requil thing was this one, the Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. तो मैंने ये सिर्फ एक दिन यूज़ किया है. I did not wear anything on my face that day. I just used a moisturizer and then I applied this one. So when I was applying it, it really felt matte. When I applied it, it was dry and nice. But as soon as I went outside and I was in my Uber, I don't know, my skin felt so oily. I actually did not like it after applying that. So I think it's because of that, because मैं जो moisturizer मैंने यूज़ किया था वो मैं बहुत दिन से यूज़ कर रही हूँ और उसका तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं अभी तक. So it was because of this. I really did not like it. It says it's matte and dry, but when I was exposed to the sun, it became oily. So I don't understand the point of this one. I really don't like it. Maybe it's my skin. I don't know what or how it will behave or act in your skin, but it did not work for me. It is good. It has 50 plus SPF, which is great actually. बट अगर ये मेरी स्किन को ऑयली बना रहा है तो मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आएगा. सो या, आई वुडंट रिकमेंड दिस टू यू गाइज. सो अगर आपको चाहिए यू कैन ऑब्वियसली बाय इट, बट इट्स नॉट फॉर मी. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज अ कॉम्बो थिंग विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम Dot & Key. आई लव बोथ ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. लाइक इन सब में से अभी तक मैंने जो दिखाया है मेरे तो ये दोनों सबसे फेवरेट है. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, दिस वन आई लव. दिस वन, दिस इज ग्रेट. I was shook when I applied it for the first time. मैं जो बोलती थी कि उपटन मेरा फेवरेट फेस मास्क है, but I'm so wrong. This has to be my favorite face mask. कि इतना अच्छा है. Like when you apply it, it just feels so cool on your skin. It's great. It's really nice. I really like it how it acts on my skin. It glides on the skin so nicely, and also it has such a cooling effect. I really like it. It opens like this. It has such a beautiful packaging and आपको एक lid मिलेगा, and this is how the product looks like. It's so nice. You can see I've used it. I have used it thrice by now and I really like it. It's great actually. मुझे बहुत पसंद आया ये वाला. एंड ये ना आपके अगर कोई पोर इशूज़ है या फिर यू हैव लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पिंपल्स, यू कैन सी जस्ट अ डिफरेंस इन अ स्नैप. एक्चुअली इसको यूज़ करने के बाद मेरे पोर्स ना बहुत श्रिंक लग रहे थे or I had a pimple here which just vanished after like the second use of this one. So that was so nice. I really like this one. It is really nice, and it also detoxifies your skin, so it's actually great. And another thing which I got in this, obviously in this combo, is this one. This is the Dot & Key serum, the skin clarifying face serum. I really like it. It's so watery, it's so light on the skin. बट ये ना मुझे मॉर्निंग में यूज़ करना ज़्यादा पसंद है, रात के लिए इट्स नॉट दैट इफेक्टिव आई वुड से. मुझे लगता है कि ये थोड़ा ऑयली हो जाता है मेरे स्किन पे. इट इज़ फॉर लाइक रिमूवल ऑफ एक्ने एंड स्कार्स एंड स्टफ. इट्स रियली नाइस. मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आया था. मैंने ही ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया है. आई वुडंट से कि बहुत अच्छा है, ऑब्वियसली मुझे पता नहीं है. आई जस्ट यूज इट फॉर लाइक थ्राइस. सो मुझे ये अभी मिला है, लिटरली लाइक 3 days बैक. सो आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड इट अ लॉट. I have used it thrice or 4 times and अच्छा लगा मुझे. So this is the next thing that I got. It's the Mamaearth oil free moisturizer. ये oil free है लेकिन ये actually oil free नहीं है. इसके ऊपर लिखा है कि this is oil free but it is not. It just makes my skin so oily. I really don't like it. Actually I do have like a lot of sebum production which I don't know is maybe मेरी skin type का problem है. But अगर ये अपने पैकेजिंग में बोल रहा है कि ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइज़र, देन आई गेस इट शुड हैव सच प्रॉपर्टीज़ कि ये ऑयल कंट्रोल करे. बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये ऑयल कंट्रोल करता है. तो ये एक्चुअली क्रीमी है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट ओपन्स एंड सो या इट जस्ट ऐसे निकल जाता है ट्यूब से. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट जस्ट, so you guys can see it's just not getting absorbed on my skin. See, देखा आपने, ये absorb ही नहीं हुआ. So I really don't know what is wrong with this product. It still hasn't, but it just doesn't get absorbed onto my skin. It is not oil free. It is really oily, to be very honest. इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद मेरे जो पोर्स है वो ज़्यादा एनलार्ज लगते हैं. माई स्किन फील्स ऑयली. आई हैव अप्लाइड इट ऑन द बैक ऑफ माई हैंड. यू कैन सी इट्स सो शाइनी राइट नाउ बिकॉज इट रियली डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग. और ये बहुत ही चिपचिपा मॉइस्चराइज़र है. सो मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आया एकदम भी. सो मेरे 300 रुपये तो बर्बाद हो गए. बट या आई यूज़ इट ऑब्वियसली. लाइक आई डू हैव डेज वेयर माई skin feels dry a bit, so yeah, I'm gonna use it now or in winters. But I really did not like it, so it's not good for oily or combination skin. For dry skin it's really good actually. Whoever like is a dry skin person, you guys can try it out. आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा, बहुत moisturizing होगा. And also actually it's a good product for them but not for oily skin at all. I got my favorite products. These are the Laneige products. So I have been wanting to try a few things from Laneige for a really long time. So ये तो obviously मेरे पास पहले से है. I've seen so many things about this one. So this is Laneige water sleeping mask. This one is a छोटा सा version. This is for 25 ml and for ₹700. I really like it obviously. And so this is how it opens and this is the tub. I really like it. It's so nice. It's so nice. I can't tell you. It's इतना अच्छा ये वाला. So ये ऐसे खुलता है, ऊपर एक lid है and this is the product. I love this sleeping mask or moisturizer, whatever you say. तो मैं ये हर रोज़ अप्लाई करती हूँ रात को. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. ये बहुत मॉइस्चराइजिंग है. It doesn't make your skin feel oily at all, which is a very good thing about this product. And if you have like oily or combination skin, this is a pure gem and a blessing for you guys. Just go and buy it, you will love it. It's one of the best moisturizers for oily skin. So yeah, just give it a try. I'm telling you, you will love it. The next thing that I bought is the Laneige Multi Deep Cleanser. So this is how the cleanser looks like. It's really good. This is for like cleansing the pores. Deep clean हो जाएगा आपका पूरा फेस. So मैंने ये 5 times यूज़ किया है. मेरे पास ये पहले था, टेस्टर टाइप का एक था, बट ये पूरा वर्जन नहीं था. It actually deep cleanses your face. So that is a very good thing about this cleanser. It's very good for all skin types. So yeah, just give it a try. I know you'll like it. So the next thing that I bought is actually a face mist. That is Laneige Water Bank Hydro Mist. ये तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आ गया एक्चुअली. आई यूज़ इट एवरी डे एवर सिंस आई गॉट इट and I really like it. It just splashes so much nourishment onto your skin. Sometimes तो मैं मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं लगाती हूँ, ये लगा के सो जाती हूँ. And actually it works as a moisturizer. ये बहुत अच्छा है. It just nourishes your skin. It just makes your skin it just gives a splash on your face and just wakes you up. So मैं सुबह भी ये यूज़ करती हूँ और रात को कभी सोने से पहले ये लगा के सो जाती हूँ. सो मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. It is very good for like all types of skin actually. I have seen many dry skin people using it, and I have oily skin. I am also using it and I am also loving it. So yeah, also it has like a lot of ingredients, castor oil and stuff. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इसमें. And just look at this bottle. My god, it's so pretty. Look at the color, it's so pretty. So there was a deal going on कि अगर आप कुछ 1800 के ऊपर खरीदोगे तो आपको कुछ चीज़ें फ्री मिलेंगी. तो I got these 4 things free with all of these products. So the first thing is actually the Laneige Eye Sleeping Mask. I don't know, I have not tried it. Maybe I'll use it and I'm gonna post a few stories on my Instagram about how it works or it doesn't. So yeah, I'm gonna use it and tell you guys. It's actually a free product. I have never ever seen it. The next thing that I got is the Laneige Water Bank Gel Cream. I really like this one. It's so light on the skin. It absorbs so nicely and it just makes my skin feel so good. इसको लगाने के बाद ना लगता है कि आपका कुछ नरम टाइप का हो गया है गाल. एंड इट्स सो नाइस. मुझे इसका बड़ा टब खरीदना है इसके बाद. इसकी ख़त्म करने के बाद आई एम श्योरली गोना बाय द बिग वन. It's so nice. It just gets absorbed onto your skin like a snap and it's just the best cream I've ever used. Also it's gel based, so it's very good for oily combination skin. So yeah, I really like it. The next thing that I got is a Laneige White Dew Skin Refiner. I have actually not used it, so I'm not gonna just give a random review. I really don't know what it does, how it performs. Obviously type of a serum, obviously, but I don't know how it works on the skin. So I'm gonna try it out and obviously let you guys know in my next video or in my Instagram. So yeah. And again I got a Water Bank Eye Gel Cream. So this is the last product of this whole Nykaa haul. This is the Water Bank Eye Gel Cream. छोटू सा एक है ट्यूब और ये ऐसे खुल जाता है, ऐसे टाइप का खुल जाता है. And it has a छोटा सा applicator also. You can just take it on your fingers and apply or just directly apply it using the tube. It's really nice. मैंने एक बार या 2 बार यूज़ किया था, मुझे अच्छा लगा. बट अच्छा रिव्यू देने के लिए मुझे ये 1 मंथ तक यूज़ करना होगा. इफ़ आई डोंट सी अ ग्रेट डिफरेंस ऑब्वियसली आई एम गोना टेल यू कि इट डजंट वर्क. So yeah, that was all I got in this Nykaa haul. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then please check out all the videos down below. I know you will like them. And if you do, then please hit that notification bell and also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you so much for everything guys, and yeah, we'll meet each other next time. Bye.